Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time where you see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I almost start with tonight's show. So it is my pleasure to inform you that Arsenal have contacted Ayyoub Bouaddi's representatives, his entourage, because Arsenal would like to sign him. This guy, the name, we don't dey mention am dey go. We don't dey mention am dey go. Now, when it gets very, very close to January, everybody they try to see where they go strengthen. So that is why Arsenal don already contact this player now, because from the reports from the Mirror, as also put out by Football London, Ayyoub Bouaddi's interests. Arsenal have already made contacts with the entourage of Lily youngster Ayyoub Bouaddi, according to reports in France via the Mirror. Andrea Berta is leading discussions for the midfielder with a £39.4 million offer prepared, while Chelsea, PSG, Manchester City, Manchester United, and Liverpool are all monitoring him. Now, say me, I don't talk am before, say my preferred first and second choice wey we go first sign, we go first of all get a left winger, at the same time get a new creative number 10. So I come dey do research say why is Arsenal looking for this Bouaddi? First off, the name sound like all these African names like Egypt. So I come go do research, come find out say na France im dey play for, which means e no get business with AFCON, e never go AFCON, nothing concern am with AFCON. Although one of im parents na still from Morocco, but dem born am for France. So my early the way I take dey say am, you get, my curiosity really really show well. Dey say na from Morocco, but I believe say maybe na Egypt based on that Bouaddi. Now, away from that, these are my findings. So I come find out say Ayyoub Bouaddi's playing style is that of a versatile, technically gifted midfield controller or quarterback excelling as a deep line playmaker or single pivot who links defense and attack with exceptional vision, composure under pressure, and progressive passing, while also being combative, physically strong, and capable of driving play forward with shifty dribbling. He blends defensive tenacity and tackling with sophisticated distribution, making him a complete modern midfielder with high football IQ, thriving in both chaotic situations and structured play. Now, end there. I went further. They come to say him na combative midfielder. You get, say him be midfield enforcer. At the same time, in the progress ball where you get, Buhari is a strong ball carrier, leveraging his athletic build to drive powerfully through the midfield and bypass the initial press. His positional understanding is high. His passing is up there. As I read all the guy attributes, I go for YouTube, I still watch some videos with everything where you see. You know who the guy remind me of? Declan Rice. This is the person Arsenal under Andrea Berta and Arteta, now the person wey they wan use as Declan Rice raised to power 2. Say in case we want to rest Declan Rice, we go bring another person like for like. Person wey dey bomb forward, box to box midfielder with a little touch of defensive capability and some touch of goal scoring exploits. Person wey be say e sabi mark ball, e get long leg, he's 6 foot 1 inches. I did the research on this player and nothing anybody won't tell me. Now Declan Rice position this guy won't play. Because no matter how much we love Rice, say no be every time we like, even if you don't play like 60 minutes, 70 minutes, we go physically come out and say, okay, Bouaddi, go do your thing. You get. So it will make sense. Now, if we want to play cup games, say maybe Rice no day, at least we'll get another Rice. Maybe we go call this one beans. Maybe that one just enter, maybe we'll steal. You get. So when I see everything, I just smile. I say, I see what these guys are doing. So I don't know, as I read the guy, like the qualities, remind me of Declan Rice, because everything when they do, now what we know say Declan Rice they do. And at the same time, he can also take the position of Zubimendi in case of necessity, because when you look at the way we set up our team, you go know, say, Ateta no really trust Nogard. So Bouaddi can come in, and you might see a midfield of Odegaard, Bouaddi, and Rice. So now wetin me I dey really really see, because the guy really dey play well. So but More just the watch. Obviously, there is no way we'll go to the general transfer window and go and buy one player. Who does that? We know what we lack. So we need to fill up those spaces. So more just the watch. More could see how everything will turn up, will end up at the end of the day. The money no took us like 39 million or thereabouts. So we'll see how everything will go. Now, away from that, Ateta doing press conference today. You get, but that press conference, I watched the video like maybe 4 5 minutes. Get for that video, now only Gabriel Jesus need to talk about. I checked the Arsenal website, no transcript, so I don't know whether I go call am press conference. So I go talk say na interview session because like they ask him about 5 or 6 questions. Like 5 of those 6 now, Gabriel Jesus, is he ready to play for Arsenal now? Is he going to do this? Is he going to do that? Oh, what is the comparison between him and Gyökeres? Oh, what can he do better? Like, those are everything. Now, we're going to see within the Daily Mail they put out, Arsenal boss Mikel Arteta hails fighting spirit of Gabriel Jesus and highlights the one quality his team need to exploit from the striker. Because Arteta has backed the unbelievable Gabriel Jesus to use his fighting spirit and give Arsenal a different attacking dimension ahead of his 100th club appearance. Now, the expectation is that Gabriel Jesus now will start for the match he will play against Crystal Palace. And if he start that game, you go be saying a 100th game where he don't represent Arsenal go be that. So Arteta can talk say, when you see Gabriel Jesus today, like seeing the day he played Everton, the amount of spaces that he was involved in, that's his biggest quality. So we need to exploit that. Reflecting upon the striker's journey from joining the North London club from since 2022, he don't join us, don't play 99 games so far. I was even thinking maybe they go put 99 games, how many goals he don't score, all those kind of level, but for some reason they didn't really put it there. In fact, somebody entered my DM and said, look at the last match you played against Everton. Gabriel Jesus come inside, what's him play? The person was asking me, telling me say Gyökeres did more than Gabriel Jesus in that game, but people no go talk am. They tell me, I just observe, I just listen. But a lot of people enter my DM to say one or two. I just see what they talk. I say, point there, sure, point there, because obviously when they remove Gabriel Jesus, Everton self, they thank God. I say Gabriel Jesus. When they remove Gyökeres, Everton thank God. Say well, you get. But that we need everybody, and this is what we're talking about in these cup games now. Make Jesus self come. We could see me play 90 minutes if possible. Even if you play 90 minutes, maybe play like 70 minutes. We could see the stuff. Now in the talk say one help us win the league. Baba, first help us qualify from quarter final to semi final. That's also that other players go dey fresh. So now what's in me, I really they see. Also, when you look at what the London Evening Standard is putting out, so Mikel Arteta drops major Arsenal selection hints ahead of Carabao Cup clash with Crystal Palace. Mikel Arteta has suggested he's ready to unleash Gabriel Jesus on Crystal Palace in the Carabao Cup because they ask him say whether the guy don't do ready. They say yes, say he's ready. In fact, say if you see what Gabriel Jesus do for training, saying they're ready to go. So it's interesting to know that Gabriel Jesus never starts match for Arsenal since January, when he suffered that ACL. This is December. So now he first starts in a long while. So we go host Crystal Palace. What they say tomorrow night? Now tomorrow, Tuesday night. Now tomorrow. So we'll go host Crystal Palace at the Emirates Stadium, where we are expected to beat them and qualify for the quarterfinals and meet our noisy neighbors, Chelsea. That match go mad. Oh man, away, we knock Chelsea, I believe. 100, I believe. Now, when asked if Gabriel Jesus was ready to start in the last 8 clash, Arteta responded firmly, yes, he is. You can see now, not only on games, every day in training, how much he wants it. He's going to deserve a chance soon. And that soon, now tomorrow, I feel say, go be the soon. Away from that, I want to see this particular report where Goal.com put out this evening. So the country say Ruben Diaz, they send Premier League title race warning to Arsenal as defender vows that Man City will keep fighting. So Ruben Diaz has made it clear that Manchester City's recent success will not be allowed to dull their hunger to reclaim their Premier League crown, as the defender set sights on chasing down Arsenal in the title race. Now, meanwhile, Pep self do like the own. I say for the media, so Pep say don't give the Man City boys 3 days off for their 7 days where they get now. They give them 3 days off. So we can talk say in say me then go chop what you like, but anybody come back with 3 kg, 3 kilogram added to him weight, say you no go follow them travel go Tottenham, Nottingham Forest. Now the Pep they talk, it just did me very, very funny. You get. Well, that match sef against Nottingham Forest, I would like to see how that match will go because I'm sure Dyke did there. You get. And Nottingham Forest, they play this night safe. So I would like to see. I think they're playing Fulham or thereabouts. So I would like to see how that match when they home and at home they are a very, very tough nuts to crack. Get with Morgan Gibbs White and co. Just say that strikers Christopher Wood and Awoni, then they injured. But whether they will not recover by then, I don't really know. You get. So now, well, we'll just see at the end of the day. Now coming back to wetin Baba dey talk. So the Ascot talk say then they're very, very hungry for this game. I know the pressure of joining this club when I joined. When you sign and play for Man City, you are expected to win football matches and win trophies. It's as simple as that. So I'm proud to have contributed to the many trophies we have won in recent years, but I also know it's never enough. We have to keep winning. If you look because I read everything he said, you know, mention Arsenal there, but for some reason, Gold.com come coin am, saying they give Arsenal money. He just dey talk say normally, if you enjoy Man City and Man City, the expectation I say they must win something. And no be lie. There are clubs you will join. The expectation is that at the end of the season, you must celebrate something. And when you look at the culture of Manchester City, they've been winning, and they're part of their culture. You get winning trophies is not part of our culture. We just want to ingrain it now. It's part of our culture before, but all of a sudden we can't disconnect from that culture. So we are trying to bring back that culture of winning. That is why we talk say that first one is going to be very key. We win them now, the floodgates will open. You will come turn to our culture, say every season say, okay, make a bust your brain. Just like once upon a time, we no get Champions League slots. We stayed about, was it 5 seasons or 6 seasons or thereabouts, or 7 years gone safe without Champions League football. But now it's a norm. If we start the season now, if the right aims and objectives for board, for Ateta, you don't go see make the top 4 because it's a norm now. It's a norm. Now we are expected to finish in the top, not even 4th, top 2. Now, if we don't finish first, we go finish second. Which is why Paul Merson said anybody that finishes ahead of Arsenal will win the league, which means the highest, like the lowest, like worst case scenario, Arsenal will finish second. So that is the expectation now. So we need to change it. So at the end of the day, I don't see it as being disrespectful to Arsenal, but now Gold.com know why they come drag Arsenal inside. Now, away from that, I can check the Arsenal website. I see say boys they train, they train, confirm, they get prepared, they get ready for this Crystal Palace game. Iberichizi, Matthew Skelly, Saka, you get, I see them, Saliba, as in everybody complete. In fact, I just dey happy as I see smiles on their faces, seriousness, Kala, big Kala dey there, you get Zubimendi, Zubi Michael, all of them. They're plenty, they did. I just dey very, very happy. Say, oh yeah, they go where. Now, this brings me to that question I'm asking in the morning. Say, who go play right back? If something do Timber, somebody entered my DM. In fact, I saw it in the comment section first. The person says, CHUKS, make I tell you for free. I think I go play Norgard for that right back. So there is no person better suited to play that right back than Norgard. And I'm tempted to believe so that I think I can do that experiment. But more just watch, we'll see everything go unfold at the end of the day. Okay, I think it's time for us to bring you a message from Billy.
Your favorite wine drink for your party and celebration in every occasion. Call your friends and family, time to celebrate, have a good time. Pura Sepa wine. Pura Sepa comes in different variants. There's I like the red wine. Pura Sepa wine. Relax and enjoy your life with Pura Sepa wine.
All right, so Pura Sepa wine is brought to you by Bilito Nigeria Limited. So it's a Spanish wine drink. It's an alcoholic drink. So if you're interested in this product, make you reach out to Mr. Julius on 08033264146. Then they deliver nationwide. And also, if you have interest in becoming one of their distributors, make you just get in touch with them ASAP. Now, away from that, we will also bring you a message from Mobi Wells Associates and Co. Limited. So they're into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shop protection works, and they're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, call them on +234 8064642234, and they're located at number 7 Ekeniwa Road, Orazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. If you're interested in any of their services, please do reach out to them. Now, away from that, so Carver Solokor, could let us know, say, if Liverpool actually come for Antoine Semenyo, he will go to Liverpool, because the injury to Isak could mean that Liverpool might make a January move for Antoine Semenyo. Say Liverpool are a very, very big club. If they come calling, he's going to answer. But don't forget, Manchester City is also a bigger club too. So if themselves call am, the chances dey. Me, I personally believe say na between Man City and Liverpool. Manchester United, Tottenham Hotspur, Chelsea, I don't think they stand a chance. You get na wetin me I honestly think, but we'll just dey watch. Now I come see this video from Dermot Gallagher. You get where dem dey talk about the match wey we play against Everton, whether penalty they supposed to give Everton a penalty from that kick wey Saliba kick. So former Premier League referee Dermot Gallagher, he talk say no be penalty. So some people go dey castigate am, criticize am for social media, so they try to defend in decision. Say e no be penalty, you get, because William Saliba appeared to catch Tieno Barry in the box, but no penalty was given by the referee or the VAR on that day. Speaking to Sky Sports, he said, "I went through all the footage on Saturday night. I couldn't find one penalty given like that. It seems that any challenge like that, unless it is a really clear kick, it's not given." See, like I said that day, it all goes down to the referee's discretion. If saying give penalty, VAR go back am. As he no give, VAR go back am. Now subjective reasoning. There is nothing like objectivity here. So it depends as person take see am. On another day, that's why the commentator said it. I've seen things like this being given. This I don't see am being given. I don't say I'm being given. So say they no give us now our turn, we say gel almost shine, get normal. No every day we go there at the bottom end, we dey collect. We say gel almost enjoy, you get. Do we go our way? So na normal level. So those who they cry, they continue to dey cry. The rest sabi. Now, part of the things Arteta said in that press conference or interview, whatever you want to call it. So Mikel Arteta on what he would like to get for Christmas. He said, "All I want is win, 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 win. Just keep winning for me." So we don't get 2 wins already. 3 more to go. Baba, they give me the wins. Get. Say we just win all the remaining games ready for December. Everywhere we still with it. So we will be fans. And so we will also feel if our club feel runner for us. Now, this particular image is trend on social media. Patson Daka attempted a backflip celebration after scoring for Zambia in the AFCONs, and at the end of the day, he hurt his neck. So see the way neck go. Me, I don't watch the match, so I don't really know how it be. So I don't know whether at the end of the day, whether I'm breaking neck or maybe something do I can't really say, and I don't really know. But I just pray say at the end of the day, I wish him quick recovery, because I say in won the neck small. He gets. So maybe later I'll go find the match, make I see whether I serious something or maybe like just a small injury. So with that being said, the biggest news of the night, I'm the fact say, Arsenal don't prepare money, you get about 39 million or thereabouts. They don't go sign Ayyoub Bouaddi. He's a midfielder that plays for Lille. He's a midfield enforcer. I think this is the guy that's going to replace Declan Rice. Whenever I want to rest Declan Rice, the guy is very, very good. I don't watch him for YouTube. So, and Roberta don't open discussions. They don't need discuss. So, everywhere good, everywhere good. So, maybe they will bring the guy for January 4th. So, with that being said, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show and then like come your way later tomorrow morning to give you the money news. So, then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Now, good night. And then I'll get out, right, guys. Ciao.